Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? Today, we're delving deep into VOO. We previously shared an overview on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024, and now we're bringing you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has ranked VOO as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.69. Now, let's take a closer look at how this stock has been performing during this period. Surpassing our expectations, VOO has shown an impressive gain of 13.7% since we first recommended buying it 69 days ago. This means that on average, the stock has been delivering a daily return of 0.2% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The ETF is currently positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 10.53% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 8.97% to 12.45%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a forecasted 19.05% change over the next year, with a potential return between 4.55% and 20.89%. This suggests a price range of $474.85 to $549.05 after 12 months. Our latest update for VOO brings you an important headline: VOO ETF downgraded to hold/accumulate. On the last trading day, Tuesday, February 13, 2024, the VOO ETF price experienced a decline of 1.37%, dropping from $460.46 to $454.17. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.04%, reaching a low of $451 and a high of $455.70. Looking at the past 10 days, the price has risen on 6 occasions, showing a positive change of 0.66% over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day, it occurred during a downward trend in prices. This could indicate a potential increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $3.03 billion worth of VOO ETF shares were bought and sold, with a total of 7 million shares traded. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $462.74, while the lowest price reached $349.76. Currently, the price is 1.85% below the 52-week high, amounting to $8.57. It's important to note that this high also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for VOO, the ETF. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal, but the long-term average is indicating a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there's an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it may encounter resistance around $456.79, which is the level of the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support around $443.61, which is the level of the long-term average. A break above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a break below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is showing a buy signal. However, there have also been some negative signals, which could impact the ETF's short-term development. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 1.4% decline so far. It's likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the ETF in light of these developments. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One interesting signal is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which showed a sell signal 3 days ago. The Bollinger signal also showed a buy signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average gave a sell signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, on the other hand, gave a buy signal 65 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO, the ETF, has found support from accumulated volume at $434.01. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is being tested. In terms of risk, VOO tends to have very controlled movements and has good liquidity. This makes the risk considered very low in this stock. Looking at recent data, in the last day, the ETF had a price range of $4.70 between its high and low, representing a 1.04% difference. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 0.645%. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for VOO. If VOO experiences an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $457.76. If you're not a shareholder yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this level could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $434.01. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. For those interested in investing, we recommend setting the stop loss at $439.17, which represents a decrease of 3.3%. This particular exchange-traded fund, ETF, offers a lower level of risk due to its relatively stable daily movements. In terms of market signals, there is currently a sell signal indicated by a pivot top discovered 2 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? While VOO holds several positive signals, we still don't believe it is enough to consider it as a buy candidate. Instead, we suggest holding or accumulating this position and waiting for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After analyzing the volatility and movements in the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, February 14th, we expect VOO to open down by $0.548 and start trading at $453.62. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the ETF? We value your engagement, so please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day. Thank you for joining us here at Stock Invest.